Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get list ID or audience ID in Mailchimp. So let's get into it. Now, obviously, the first thing we need to do is to log into our Mailchimp account. And if you haven't done so, this is the perfect time for you to subscribe or create an account here in Mailchimp. It's very easy and super fast. Now, once you are in the interface of your Mailchimp account, go over to the left panel of the dashboard where it says audience, right? There's a drop-down menu. Click on that and click on all contacts. Now, these versions might be different from what you have, but right now, this is the most updated interface. So from here, basically, and when you click on that, you will see all the contact list that you have added throughout your time here in Mailchimp. And if you haven't had any contacts, this is your time to add one or add contacts. Now, to get the audience ID, all you're gonna do is click on settings. And as you can see, there's an audience name in default. All right, click on it. And basically, if you have the contact lists here, you would be able to identify the audience ID by checking these special characters. Typically, they appear like these characters right here. Okay, so that's one of the identifiers for you to get the list ID on your audience, especially here in Mailchimp. Okay, now I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.